Hey guys, my name is Gayla-Devon Williams. I'm from Louisiana, but I currently reside in Norcross, Georgia, and I'm 5'3". Now, due to me being so close to the ground, a lot of people think that I'm afraid of heights. But as a published model, I'm actually given the nickname Daredevil. And that's because I'm the model who's gonna climb trees, rooftops of convention centers, hotels, pretty much anything with some height, and I'm there. I just want to catch the perfect skyline view, you know? So height, no sweat for me. Again?